The Amazfit T-Rex Ultra 2 is being talked about as the closest thing to a Garmin Fenix without paying premium money. With a rugged build, bright AMOLED display, long battery life, and improved GPS, it promises a true outdoor experience. In this comparison, we're putting it side by side with the Garmin Fenix 8 to see how close it actually gets, and where the real differences show up. Welcome back to SmartWatch Radar. If you're confused between these two outdoor-focused smartwatches, this review will help you understand which one makes more sense for you. Now let's talk about price. The Amazfit T-Rex Ultra 2 is priced around $549, which immediately puts it in a very attractive position for a rugged outdoor watch. The Garmin Fenix 8 starts at around $999, clearly placing it in the premium flagship category. This price gap alone explains why so many people are comparing these two. Battery life is one of the biggest highlights in this comparison. The T-Rex Ultra 2 delivers up to 30 days in typical smartwatch use and around 50 hours in high-accuracy GPS mode, which is more than enough for long hikes, trips, and heavy workout weeks without constant charging. The Fenix 8 also performs strongly, offering up to 29 days in smartwatch mode and up to 84 hours in GPS mode, giving it an edge for users who rely heavily on navigation and long outdoor activities. When it comes to design and build quality, both watches feel extremely tough, but they give off different personalities. The T-Rex Ultra 2 looks bold and rugged, designed clearly with adventure in mind. It's the kind of watch you can wear without worrying about scratches or rough handling. The Fenix 8 feels more refined and premium, balancing durability with a cleaner, everyday wear design that fits just as well on the trail as it does in daily life. GPS and navigation performance is solid on both, but the experience differs. The T-Rex Ultra 2 offers accurate tracking and reliable route support that works well for most outdoor activities. The Fenix 8 feels more advanced in this area, with smoother navigation and more detailed mapping, especially for users who depend heavily on routes and navigation in challenging environments. Feature-wise, the T-Rex Ultra 2 focuses on delivering the essentials in a simple and reliable way. You get strong outdoor modes, stable performance, and a user-friendly experience without being overloaded with data. The Fenix 8 is built for users who want more depth. It offers advanced training metrics, performance insights, and long-term tracking that serious athletes and endurance users will appreciate. Connectivity and smart features follow the same pattern. Amazfit keeps things straightforward, handling notifications and core smart features smoothly. Garmin offers a richer ecosystem with deeper integrations and more customization options, especially useful if you're already invested in Garmin devices. Health and fitness tracking is solid on both watches. The T-Rex Ultra 2 covers all the key health metrics most users need in a clear, easy-to-understand way. The Fenix 8 goes further with deeper health insights and performance analytics, which appeal more to users who train frequently or track recovery closely. So, which one should you buy? If you want a rugged outdoor smartwatch with excellent battery life, reliable GPS, and strong overall performance without spending premium money, the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra 2 is a very easy recommendation. If you want the most advanced outdoor tools, deeper training data, and a premium ecosystem, the Garmin Fenix 8 still earns its place at the top. In the end, this comparison isn't about which watch is better overall. It's about choosing what fits your lifestyle best. If this helped you, let me know which one you'd pick and what comparison you want next on SmartWatch Radar.